Alright, we're Hot Diggity Dog, and this is our first song.
Lenin, Guevara, Kaczynski, my heroes. Let's crush all those liberal zeros. They sit in their armchairs, cast down their judgments, spit out ideas. Their shit is repugnant. You'll make a difference from your couch, I'm sure. But be real and get out there. Don't live a lie, don't be a joke. Give me a goddamn smoke. We're hungry, we're on the road, we're tired and fucking broke. Give us your time and give us a smile. We'll make it worth your goddamn while. Pennies? I fucked that up so bad.
Dude, I totally thought we were done.
No, I think we could maybe cut it at the